they only had like one scene together, but for some reason the older actors have more
Had, yeah,
chemistry
better
with one
chemistry.
Yeah.
another than the younger actors.
Yeah.
I
Kasi
would say it's
sobrang angsty
experience.
kasi. Sobrang angsty kasi nung
Yeah, pero kasi
story.
even if it's like angsty and stuff, you could still feel chemistry if it's,
Mm,
if it's there. Pero kasi, I mean, they still have chemistry naman. Don't get me
yeah.
wrong. Pero kasi parang it just felt more. I felt it more with the older actors,
Mm.
even with
Mm-hmm.
just like that one scene of them together.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can ramdam mo yung parang they adore each other. Like the
Mm-mm.
characters adore each other and stuff.
And you can tell na parang they are aware that there was something between them in the past that
Mm.
is not
Mm-mm.
pain. And
Mm.
they're kind of like, I mean, it's open ended, but it's almost like they're ready to face that
Mm.
Yeah.
at that point.
And I take it as because the world is more open now, they can be more
Yeah.
Mm.
open to
And they're in the US that time. Ay, Canada. They're in Canada that time.
Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tapos yung ending scene.
Yeah, yung, di ba yun yung parang what if?
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
Like, what if scenario? Yeah.
Tas yung transition pa nun na the older Jahan and Birdie like looking to the side. Na parang
Mm.
that's
Yeah,
the
parang,
memory that they treasure.
yeah.
That's
Even
their
if it's made
youth. Mm.
even if it's made up, like this is what, and like you can see na parang it's what we both wanted because both of them saw the whole vision thing,
Mm.
right?
Tas nakakatawa pa yung bola, hindi na bumalik.
Alam mo, kitang-kita yun eh. Nakikita mo kung kailan siya nawala.
But I like that they kept it. Kasi halata mong one shot lang talaga yon.